that is what I live for. I mean, that's how I was raised, to help people. When you get the really big cases, you know, when someone's been severely injured and their life has completely changed and they're being told that there's nothing that can be done for them, that they're just going to have to accept the circumstances and the bad luck because things like that just happen. And when you can take some, you know, facts like that, turn it into a case, and go out and get a big settlement for your client, so much that it changes their life, where they can buy a house, they can educate a child. They do so many things with the money that we're able to get for them through this compensation. But they come back and they tell you the stories. That is just so gratifying. There is nothing else that would provide that for me. I've had people come and say, but for the fact that I got the settlement when I got it, I wouldn't be able to pay for my child's hospital bills. I wouldn't be able to fight for the custody of my daughter. I wouldn't be able to live in this home. I wouldn't have been able to, you know, get a car that's proper for my family. Yeah, that's amazing to be able to do that.